Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atira Nusuhaida binti Jumain. My number metric is 14DKA 19F1162. Today I want to present about chemical oxygen demand, which is COD. Before doing any experiment, we should practice safety in the laboratory. Safety at laboratory. 1. Don't eat or drink in the laboratory. Number 2. Keep a clean workspace. 3. Do not work alone in the lab. 4. Never smell and taste chemical. 5. Never wear sandal or any open twig shoes in the lab. Footwear should always cover the foot completely. Number 6. When handling any toxic or hazardous agent, always wear the appropriate glove. 7. After performing an experiment, you should always wash your hand with soap or water. Introduction chemical oxygen demand. The COD test is commonly used in indirectly measure the amount of organic compound in water. Most of the influence was water come from organic compounds, primarily loose product. Substance oxidize or stabilize, combine with some of the oxygen dissolved in the water. Atmospheric oxygen can replenish the dissolved oxygen supply, but only at a slow rate. If there is not enough dissolved oxygen in the water, the aquatic life can die. Under extreme conditions, the water may turn black and produce a foul odor. The amount of oxygen used is therefore a good indicator of the amount of organic waste present. Objective: to measure the effectiveness of water towards the oxidation and reduction reaction. Apparatus of the experiment. 1. COD reflux system consists of Erlen mirror flux or around flux 215 ml or 500 ml. 2. Burette and retort stand. 3. Pipette. 4. Glass bin. 5. Magnetic stirrer bar. 6. Beaker. 7. Spatula. 8. COD analysis set. 9. Magnetic stirrer with hot plate. 10. Mercury sulfate. 11. Potassium dichromate. 11. Concentrate sulfuric acid H2S04 plus silver sulfate powder AgS04 at a rate 5.5 g AgS04 kilogram HS04. 30. Indicator of ferrine. And lastly is ferrous ammonium sulfate. COD procedure. Step 1. Prepare the blank. Use a clean pipette to pipette 2 ml of ionized water into a COD vial. Prepare the sample. Use the clean pipette to pipette 2 ml of sample into the second COD vial. Hold the vial cap, then shake the vial several times to make reagent well mix. Standard mode COD 115 Celsius 120 minutes. Put the valve in the CR25 and start COD program. Preheat mode COD to 165 Celsius and 20 minutes. Select COD2 preheat program. Put the valve in the preheat CR25 and start COD2 program by pressing the right button. Protective lid. Anti-heat PTFE clip. Clean the valve, then measure the COD value after suspension is fully precipitated. Innovative multi-curve COD detector is compatible. Turn on CD 200 and select brand of COD region HACH and select concentration rank of the apply COD region. Insert the blank into the seal holder, the zeroing, then insert the prepared sample into the seal holder. Data collection of the COD test. Cone flux, black, pH 6.66, COD milligram liter 0. Cone flux sample, pH 6.66, COD milligram milliliter 41. Discussion. The chemical oxygen demand test is used widely to estimate the amount of organic matter in wastewater. It is a measurement of the oxygen equivalent of the material present in the wastewater that are subject to oxidation by a strong chemical oxidant. In the case dichromate, when wastewater contain only readily available organic bacteria food and no toxic matter, the COD test result provide a good estimate. Conclusion. The water quality, the chemical oxygen demand test is commonly used to indirectly measure the amount of organic compound in the water. Most application of COD determine the amount of organic pollutant found the surface water like lake and river, making COD a useful measure of water quality. This is expressed in milligram per liter, which indicates the mass of oxygen consumed per liter of solution.